Imagine waking up to find your favorite messaging app's future suddenly uncertain. That's the reality millions of Telegram users are facing today. In a shocking turn of events, Pavel Durov, the mastermind behind Telegram, has been arrested in France. Telegram is not down, but Durov's arrest raises questions about the future of encrypted messaging. And what role does AI play in this unfolding drama? Today we have breaking news that's sending shockwaves through the tech world. Pavel Durov, the founder and CEO of Telegram, has been arrested. In this video, we'll break down the details of his arrest, the allegations against him, and what this means for the future of Telegram and AI in messaging. Let's dive in. On Saturday, August 24, 2024, Pavel Durov was arrested at Le Bourget Airport near Paris, France. The 39-year-old billionaire, often called the Russian Mark Zuckerberg, was detained shortly after landing on a private jet from Azerbaijan. This arrest has raised serious concerns, especially given Telegram's popularity as a messaging app with around 800 million users worldwide. So, what exactly are the allegations against Durov? French authorities claim that Telegram has become a haven for illegal activities. France's OFMIEN, an agency tasked with preventing violence against minors, issued an arrest warrant for Durov. The charges are serious, including fraud, drug trafficking, cyberbullying, organized crime, and promotion of terrorism. They argue that Durov has not done enough to prevent these activities from taking place on his platform. Interestingly, this case highlights the growing role of AI in content moderation. Telegram has been using AI algorithms to detect and remove illegal content, but authorities claim these measures are insufficient. This raises questions about the effectiveness of AI in policing online platforms and the balance between privacy and security. In response, Telegram has denied these accusations, asserting that their AI-powered moderation practices are sufficient and effective. The company stated that Durov has nothing to hide and that it's absurd to hold a platform owner responsible for user misconduct. However, this situation isn't new for Telegram, as the app has faced criticism in the past for its content policies and resistance to AI-based surveillance. Durov's arrest has broader implications beyond France. He holds dual citizenship in France and the United Arab Emirates, and the Russian embassy in France has already requested information about his arrest. This situation could spark diplomatic tensions, especially considering Durov's controversial history with the Russian government and his stance on AI and privacy. In 2014, Durov left Russia after refusing government demands to implement AI-based monitoring systems to track opposition groups on Vkontakte, a social network he co-founded. His commitment to privacy and free speech, even in the face of advanced AI technologies, has made him a polarizing figure, and this arrest could have lasting effects on Telegram's operations and its user base. This incident highlights a crucial debate about the responsibilities of tech companies in moderating content and the role of AI in this process. How much responsibility should platforms like Telegram bear for user-generated content? Where do we draw the line between protecting free speech and preventing harmful activities? And how can AI be leveraged to strike this delicate balance? As we await further developments, it's essential to consider the implications of this arrest, not just for Durov and Telegram, but for the entire tech industry and the future of AI in communication platforms. Will this lead to stricter regulations on messaging apps and more aggressive AI-based monitoring? How will it affect user trust in platforms that prioritize privacy over AI-powered surveillance? In conclusion, this is a developing story with potentially far-reaching consequences for online privacy, free speech, and the role of AI in digital communication. We'll keep you updated as more information becomes available. What are your thoughts on this situation? Do you think Durov is being unfairly targeted, or should Telegram implement more robust AI systems for content moderation? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, please give a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and analysis at the intersection of AI and privacy. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.